Hi, good morning everyone. So once again, let us look the levels which we posted yesterday, how they worked and what are the fresh levels for today. So first I'll go to Nifty chart. There is nothing much to analyze on the daily chart, which we already did yesterday. So quick review. See, market started falling from this point. It came all the way low here. It made the swing low and from there it started making this small swing high and now it started coming down, but it could not break the earlier swing low. If it go below 17,774, the earlier swing low, then market could turn bearish. At least market to show like, from downtrend it turned to sideways, it has to go above 18,260, 270 levels. Once it break this small swing high which it made earlier, it confirms even the downtrend is ruled out. So we'll from right now it is kind of downtrend. In order for it to change its mode from downtrend to sideways, it has to break this level 18,260, 270 levels. And if it has to continue the downtrend, it has to go below 17,774. Then we confirm it is going towards the lower level. That is quick recap on what even we discussed yesterday. Now let us look on the levels which we posted yesterday and how they worked. This will give you some experience. So this is the 5-minute supply which we marked yesterday. It didn't work. So if you see, if you have taken entry here and if you marked your stop loss little above, this level didn't work yesterday, you would have taken around 19 to 20 points SL if you entered in that trade. But today, let me explain you, this experience will give you some, this explanation should give you some experience like whether to trade this level or not. See, we should also see how the price reached this supply area. Let me explain. This is the first candle of yesterday. It is a nice green pin bar, which is a bullish. So we now we need to see how it is going to reach the area. Next, we saw indecisive candle. If in the same manner, if the price reaches this supply, yes, we will take short trade without waiting for a green candle, without waiting for a red candle. Now see what happened. This candle is very bullish. There was huge movement, the low of 17,944 to high of 17,000, almost to close to 80,000. Almost 60 points move we are seeing in one single candle, 5 minutes candle. That too, if you see, this is a solid green pin bar. Price came all the way down here. When the price was here, this would have been like a kind of red candle. That whole red candle disappeared and it even turned into nice green candle. So now you need to curiously watch how the price will come here. The next candle, when you see open low, wherever it opened, that was the low. So we need to wait for a green candle. That's fine. Even if you have taken this entry, it would have given you 20 points stop loss. But if you take such experience with this observation, you don't even enter this trade. So we didn't enter this trade because this is open low, this is strong green candle. In such cases, we wait for a red candle, which didn't happen. And it clearly broke this supply area. So I told this is a very nice supply area, which means market was supposed to fall from here. When such a nice level fails, what will happen? This will become like a strong support to the market. Now see what happened during the day. It went above the supply, it came back, it took support from the same supply and it started moving higher. If you see, it started moving higher. After some time, then markets started falling. See, where is the market now? It came back to the same supply area which we marked yesterday. It took out so strongly this level. It took support, moved, and it came back exactly to this supply area. And see what happened. One indecisive candle, right above the high of this candle, one can go long. we have seen a nice upward move here. And even if you're wondering, like, the supply is bit away, it came like very close there, and then it started falling. So if you take some pivot highs help here, these pivot highs acted as resistance. That is the reason before reaching the supply, it started falling down. So that is how market worked yesterday. Now let us look for some fresh levels today. So today, it looks like SGX Nifty is opening flat. If you want to go long, wait for all these supplies to be taken out. Once market go above this area, above 18,164, then you can look to go long. Even if you see any green, strong green candle breaking this level, wait for the retest to this level, then you can look to go for long. So wait for these two levels. One is around 18,150, 160 levels should be taken out. Or if you see any red candle coming down from that level, that is where you can look for short. That could be kind of confirmation entry. And while coming down, there are no nearby demand levels on Nifty. You can take these pivot high levels. If you want to go short, you can look to go short below this range. If market come below 18,000 mark, that is where you can look to go short. Even you can look to go long here with the stop loss below this level, which is around 20 points SL. So if the market come here around 18,016, 18,020 level, and if you see any green candle or indecisive candle and then a green candle taking out the high of it, you can definitely look to go for long. And if you see price closing below this range, you can go for short with first target low of yesterday. This is the low of yesterday, and right below that there is a lot of gap, and there is a high chance you can maintain your second stop, second target as this gap area around 17,862. First target could be 17,930 and the second target could be 17,850 levels. So that is about Nifty. Now let me go back on to Bank Nifty. So on Bank Nifty, we saw these levels on 15 minutes and we thought not to trade on these levels because the range of the supply zone are too big. But it clearly broke the first level, the trap level. It went close to the second level and it started coming back from there. But we didn't work on this yesterday. So for yesterday, we marked some nice 3 minutes level. Let us see how that level worked yesterday. I'm going on to 3 minutes chart. If you remember, this was the supply which we marked yesterday. I said this is a very nice supply area. So let us see, market opened very close to the supply area, and in the first candle itself, we saw almost 200 points drop here. Aggressive traders could have made some nice profit in this trade. And let's say you're conservative and you could not get chance to enter in this trade. Let's see what happened again. After coming much lower, it started coming back. Even a green candle just touched the supply area. This is where you can enter the trade. See, once the candle is closing here, you can enter. But in Nifty, if you see, if you wait for the candle to close, that candle went all the way above the level and it closed over there. But it didn't happen in Nifty. Even if you want, you wait for some red candles or something, and this is where we can enter short trade. And if you see, there was a nice intraday trade happened here. Even, of course, in the first trade itself, it has fallen much. But in the second time also, when it came back to the level for the second time, it even worked. almost 1:2 trade it has given. So normally see, when it give more than 1:1, 1:1.5, what you have to do, you need to bring your SL to the buy price. So in case of any reversal, you don't lose anything. Your trade will get exit right where you entered the trade. So there will be no loss. That is how you need to manage. So in case if market starts falling down, you can keep bringing your stop loss down. That is how you can trail your stop loss. So now let us look for some fresh levels for today on Bank Nifty. I go back onto 15 minutes. See, on 15 minutes, again, this range is too big from 42,730 to 42,900, which is almost 170 points of range, which will become bit hard to maintain SL of 200 points for intraday. So I'll go back to 5-minute chart. Okay, around 42,100 will be your demand area. In case if you see any big fall during the day till 42,100, this is where you can enter long. This is again coinciding level. There are levels inside the level. So there is a high chance this will work very well around 42,100. And coming to supply area, you need to be a bit cautious because the supply area on 5 minutes is around 42,750 level. It came very close to that level and it started coming down without touching that resistance area. So if price go to this level and if you see any red candle, then you go for puts. And again, whenever you see like 80, 100 points fall from there, you bring your SL to the buy price, then you can sit in the trade and you can keep trailing the stop loss. Or if you see price close breaking this level and 42,780 level, if that level is taken out and if you see any red candle closing above, then you can, sorry, if you see any green candle closing above, you can enter long for the target of 43,210. Same like yesterday, there are some pivot highs right before that. So 43,000 could be a round figure that also could act as resistance. You can book profit over there, or even if you look at these pivot highs, they are around 43,100, 43,050 level, something like that. So keep trailing your stop loss above this level. So to summarize one more time, if you get chance to go long around 42,100, don't hesitate, just simply buy calls and wait, sit in the trade. And if you see the level has been taken out above 42,800, you can enter long for the target of around 43,000, 43,100 levels. And even if you want, there is one more opportunity here. If you see the price going below this level, 42,350, if you see any red candle closing below, still you can also look to trade this for on put side for around 150, 200 points target. So I hope this will help you little bit with your trading today. Have a nice trading day. Take care. Thank you for watching.